All right, we're picking up where we left off, and I was saying that all of these pieces of wood are going to behave differently. Some will be more durable, some will be louder and be more satisfying or less satisfying to tap on. But it's okay, buy something that's not too expensive, so you're not locked in. Also, Home Depot or any of these stores can cut the piece of wood to size. You'll have to buy the entire piece of wood, but they can cut it to the size that works for you. And sometimes that helps you get in the car, and maybe you can wedge it together later and tape it together. By the way, as long as you have a flat surface, gaffer's tape is the best for gluing pieces of wood, not gluing, but taping pieces of wood together. Gaffer's tape. It's not available all over the country because it's something that's used in Hollywood, but it works better than duct tape. So we're just moving down the line here. This is another particle board product. Now, here is something that I've used before. This is tempered hardboard, and it's only $7.25 a sheet. It will not last forever, but what's nice about it is it has a great sound, and it's not that heavy. So you're going to scratch this up, and you're going to eventually have to replace it, but for an inexpensive option when noise is not an issue, if you want a nice tap noise, this is a great solution. I don't know how easy it is to cut this, so you may want to get it, just live with it being in this size. And again, if you're using this board, it has to be on a surface that's already safe to dance on. Now, the last thing I'll show you, if you want to make, oh, actually there's two more things, so come over here. Now in this section, they have smaller boards, so you can buy pieces like this and just dance in a small space. Again, you could have them cut that board to fit, but they already have smaller pieces that are cut, and sometimes you only have a very tiny space to dance on, and you may have to use something like this. So they do have smaller sizes. You could theoretically tape a couple of these together as long as they're on a very flat surface. If you put two boards on something that's not a flat surface, they're not going to tape together very well. The very last thing I'll show you is that if you want the really fancy tap floor that you can take with you to perform, it's called a roll-up tap floor. So you start with a piece of canvas, heavy-duty canvas, and then we're going to go over here. I know there's some suspense here. All right. So you start with a heavy-duty canvas, and you get an appropriate glue that works on wood and canvas. You'll have to research that yourself. And then you take these slats and you glue them to the canvas pretty much end to end, and then your floor should roll up, because this will allow the floor to roll up. Now, I have one of these floors that I didn't make myself, somebody else did, and it was made with maple. So if you're gonna do that kind of floor, you want to use very durable material. Maple is very durable, because if you're going to go to all that trouble, you want it to last a good long time. I've had mine for more than 20 years. But if you want to experiment with something fancier that will roll up and you can take with you easily in the car, like in a golf bag to perform with, or just carry it, that's one method to do it, is glue slats to canvas, and then your floor will roll up. So I hope you are all able to keep doing your tap dancing. If you have any questions about tap, feel free to contact me by email, and that would be Howard, Howard, .tap@gmail.com. So good luck getting through this crisis, and tap on.